Hey guys, Chef Nurse here. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today we'll be making Yassa Guinar, aka chicken Yassa. We'll be needing some spring onion, regular onion, peppers, chicken, lemon, lime, ginger, vinegar, bay leaf, garlic, also whole clove, mustard, soy sauce, fish sauce, and tomato. We're going to start by washing the chicken. I like to rub it with some salt and then add a little bit of vinegar. This is after rinsing it with regular water. This is my preference, and sometimes I leave the skin on, sometimes I don't, but this is to assure that I have clean chicken. After this, we'll be doing the rough, which is known as the stuffing. So right now I have the green onion, some ginger, also some green Jamaican hot pepper, the whole clove, and the garlic. I'm going to blend that up, and I'm just going to add a little bit of fish sauce. Ideally, the rough is made in a mortar and pestle, but since we have a food processor, this will do. I just added some pepper, Creole seasoning, adobo, and I'm going to mix it up. Next, I'm going to cut little pockets inside the chicken thigh and the chicken leg, and I'm going to stuff them with the rough. Don't be afraid to get a little messy with the rest of the rough. You're going to use that to marinate the chicken. Okay, so next we'll be dealing with the onions. After being chopped up, I put it in a bowl. Then I'm going to add my favorite bouillon. That's optional. Then I'm going to add some black pepper and all my other seasonings. That includes paprika, also my adobo. I'm also going to add a lot of citrus in here, a whole lemon, a whole lime, and also vinegar. Now I'm adding the fish sauce to mix it in there, trying to just give it a great flavor. And now I'm squeezing the lemon and the lime in there. We'll be adding mustard because this is necessary in order to make yassa. It's part of the traditional recipe, even though sometimes I do go off of tradition. Ideally, I use Dijon mustard, but given that I only have spicy brown, it will do. So as you see, I added the bay leaf in there. Now I'm also cutting some green Jamaican hot pepper to put in there. So a little bit of soy sauce also doesn't hurt. Now I have the habaneros. I'm just putting it in there to marinate and season as well. We add it back with the chicken. So this can stay in the fridge overnight so that you can make it the next day, or you could just do it in 1 hour. I've taken out the chicken and I put it in the air fryer. Now I'm just making the sauce. Then I'm going to reunite these two lovers. Keep watching. So I just added a little bit of garlic powder, and then I'm also going to add garlic plus. This one here is from Canada. It is so great, but they do have it on Amazon as well, and it's available in the US. Then I'm also going to add a little bit of the Italian spices. This is also from the same brand from Canada. Totally optional. You don't have to do it if you don't have it. It's called Italiano. It is delicious. It's good on everything. And I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit in there. You just kind of go for it. So you keep on adding your seasoning to taste. Ideally, yassa is supposed to be like the Senegalese lemon pepper with the smoke flavor. It's either made with fish that is grilled or chicken that is grilled, and sometimes with meat that doesn't have to be grilled. But yassa is lemon, pepper, and smoke. I'm also adding a little bit of oyster sauce for flavor and also for color. We're going to keep frying this, and then later we'll add water. In order to get that smoke flavor that Yassa really needs to be up on another level, I'm going to show you a trick soon. So basically what I did in adding the water is the food processor that I was blending all the spices, I just added water and rinsed it. Then I'm going to add it back in the pot. That way those habanero peppers can actually cook, because traditionally when we eat this, we pop it and eat it as well. So this is the chicken that's coming straight out of the air fryer. Beautiful color. Then we're going to slowly add it in. So now that these two lovers have reunited, we're going to let it cook through. That way they can both steal flavors of each other and show love in this pot. We're going to mix everything up and then we're going to close it to cook. And then I will show you my trick to get it that smoky flavor. You won't regret it. When doing this trick, make sure all windows are open, and this is only if you do not have a barbecue grill. In the meanwhile, I made my basmati white rice and I cut my crudité and have my hard-boiled egg. Now, after boiling together for about 10 minutes, I'm stirring this pot again. Oh, these beautiful lovers. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of charcoal and I'm going to light it up. Now, after it's been lit up for a while, then I take a piece of foil, fold it up, put it in the pot. Then I put the charcoal in the middle. And then, this is the trick, guys. I put a tiny drop of oil. And then, boom, some magic trick. Close the pot, airtight, 10 minutes, the smoke flavor is infused. Look at that. Is this hot or what? All right, and our beautiful chicken Yassa, aka Yassa Guinar, is ready. This is a staple dish in Senegal, and it's primarily made with either fish or grilled chicken. Enjoy. Look at that beauty. There's all the crudité on the side. Love it. Smoky lemon pepper goodness. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Also, join our Facebook group, What's Cooking by Chefnurse. Follow and like us on Instagram and Snapchat. Thanks for watching.